if your iPhone automatically turns on do not disturb mode after certain hours of the night, what you're gonna do next is just search for health app, and then head on to this sleep. Click on this sleep, and what you want to do is you click on this, the full schedule and options. Click on that and turn this off. This thing you schedule for sleep focus. So what sleep focus does is turning off all of the notification that you got during your bedtime until your wake up time. So it is a very bad if you are a productive person and you want all that notification and you don't know how to turn it off, just basically by going here, do not disturb. So if you have it turned on, this will automatically get turned on during those bedtime hours, and you can easily turn it off by swapping down and click on this, and it's already off like that. But for the ease of access, you can just turn this off. And for me, that I want to turn it on because I'm annoying. I don't want to reply all those notifications, those messages, those texts during my bedtime hours. So I'm just gonna turn this on. But if you want it to be off, you can just turn this off. The use schedule for sleep focus. Well, this is all. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.